Alright, on the Arctic Steamer we've got this panel recessed to protect the switch from having a ladder or something else dropped on it, but occasionally this switch will get broken off. If that's the case, you're going to go ahead and remove the knob first. Normally it would be broken off at this point. You take the 4 screws of the panel apart, and then the front lid of this panel is going to pull right off. If you need to access the electrical for this machine, this is how you do it. Now keep in mind, I've got this machine unplugged. You should never work on electrical with anything plugged in. After removing the 4 screws, you pull it apart. There's an O-ring seal in here that can make it feel like it's kind of sticky. That keeps the box watertight. As you can see, there's an arrow on the switch. We rotate this to unlock it and wrestle the two apart. They're a nice tight fit, so sometimes it takes just a little bit of elbow grease. You want to be careful not to damage the plate that it's mounted to as you pull this out. After removing it, you'll see we can then take our new piece to repair the old one. It comes with a complete kit, but oftentimes all you need is the stem. Put that in, get it in position. There's 3 fins in there that need to line up. There we go. Slide it all the way on, lock it back in, and reinstall your knob. Tighten your screw and verify correct rotation. Pump, burner.